Hey there! Are you finding the text in File Explorer or Windows a bit too small to read comfortably? Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to easily change the font size using Windows 11's built-in accessibility settings. Let's dive right in. Right-click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Next, go to the Accessibility section from the sidebar on the left. Now select text size from the available options. You will see a simple slider. Drag this slider to increase or decrease the text size according to your preference. For example, I'll set it to 120%. You can preview the changes right above the slider. Once you're happy with the new size, click Apply. And that's it. Your Windows font size has been updated, including in File Explorer and other areas. Pretty simple, right? If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.